Go ahead.
You are watching Tony R619 Breaks. Yeah.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here with another video. So we did box 1 of 2006 series 1, which we got this awesome Cindy Margolis number card 51 out of 125. So today I'm going to do series 2. Another thing that I want to say is that on series 1 we did not get no gold high number card. Gold high number card will be gold right here where it's purple. Make sure it's focused. And this will also be in gold, and then it'll say high number. So we didn't get none, and there's usually one per box. Another thing, we did not complete the whole base set. We got a lot of doubles and triples, but we did not complete the whole base set. And that was my third time I've done that box break, and the first 2 times I completed the base set. Anyways, let's go ahead and do now series 2. So wish me luck. This is the one that has, if we get lucky, we might get Betty Page autographs. And usually a Betty Page on-card autograph goes for $300, guys. $300 to $500. But there's also lingerie cards in here, and also there's also the lingerie foil cards and the swatch card. What's the other one called? Well, we'll see. We'll see what we get. But there's also one Betty Page card per box too. There's an insert set of Betty Page. All right, so wish me luck, guys. Let's go ahead and there's also a box topper, and we got a box topper of Cecile Gar. Awesome, Cecile Gar box topper. Very cool. I don't think I have this one. 1 out of 5. Very nice. Very, very nice. So there's a box topper for this, and get all the packs out. Wish me luck. This will be also the 3rd time that I break this box. Okay, let's put that there. Yeah, put it right here in the back. Okay, here we go, guys. And this is the way the pack looks. All right, wish me luck. Okay, so we got base, 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 and base. As you can see, they look similar to series 1. The only difference is that at series 2, it has this little thing right here. It says series 2. I'll show you right now. Base, 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 and base. So as you can see, there's a series 1 and series 2. Series 2 has that logo, series 2, in the bottom. All right. Okay, we got base, base, and we got a lingerie card, lingerie bowl card, a Sabrina Rose, which I don't have. So nice to have that one. Awesome. So there's one insert. We got base and base. So we're guaranteed 2 autographs. Base, 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 and base. Let's hope we get autographs that we don't have. We got base, 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 and base. And like I said, this product is from 2006, so it's 12 years old, this product. And I like that the cards are not sticking together. Looks like we got a foil card, so it's probably the lingerie card. And there it is, Mary Riley. Nice. I don't have this one either. So it's a foil etched card, lingerie of Mary Riley. The set is the 20, this is 13. Very awesome. I like that card. Base and base. I like it when I get cards that I don't have. We got base, base, and there's also an insert set of Boot Camp, which I do have this one already. I think I got this in the eclectic, one of the eclectic packs. Awesome. Base and base. Let's see if we can score a Kiss card or a swatch. We got base, 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 base. All base cards there. We got our first autograph here. And our autograph is Brandy Grace. Cool. I already have this one. But it's alright. It's got a white touch right there in the corner. Candace Michelle, look at how hot she looks. And base. Alright, so we got our first autograph. That was Brandy Grace. We got base, and here's our second foil lingerie card, and it's Presley Rose. Presley Rose. And base, and base. Alright, here we go. Base, and here's another of the insert sets. This is the 97.1 free FM Anissa Duran. It's a 6-card set, and all the backs are all the same. And all base cards there. Still need to get that Betty Page insert. There's one Betty Page per box. One Betty Page insert. So all base cards here. Man, I hope I can score a Betty Page autograph. I'll retire from BenchWarmer. If I get a Betty Page autograph, I'll retire from BenchWarmer cards. Base. Probably not. Looks like we got another lingerie card here. Ooh, nice. We got Tina Jordan, former Playboy Playmate. Very awesome. Look at that. Awesome back. Tina Jordan. I don't have this one, so pretty cool. That's what I like about the 2006. There's a lot of inserts. A lot of great inserts. Got base. Got a boot camp. I do have this one already. Of Amy Decker. And base. Alright. Still looking for the Betty Page and the autograph. Here's the Betty Page card. Base. And it's card 4 out of 8. And I don't have this one, so nice. I think I have a total. This will be my number 4th Betty Page. And I don't have. This is just a regular silver foil. But there's different foils of it. Cool. Base. Alright, we're still looking for our autograph. And hopefully some bonus hits. Got base, and base. Got shirts focus. Base, and base. Got base, and then we got Lingerie Bowl Danielle Strader. Booyah. And base. This pack was ripped already. Got base, and base. We got 4 more packs. Still looking for one more autograph and hopefully a bonus auto. Here's our autographs. Let's save that one. Let's save our autograph to the end. Oh, we got 2 autographs. Let's save the 2 more autographs. Let's save that one. We got a schoolgirl auto. So let's save those 2 last. We got base, and here we got Angie Baye. As you can see, the backs are the same. There's usually 2 of these per box. We got base and base. We got base. Let's go with the let's go with this autograph first. This is our second guaranteed. Base, 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 and our autograph is Holly Shira, which I got this in the Eclectic, so this is my second one now. I love this card though. Awesome. Very cool. And now for our schoolgirl auto. This is a bonus auto. Base, base, base. And our auto is Jamie Hammer, which I already have. Alright, so there you have it, guys. We got Jamie Hammer, one of our autographs. We got Heather Shira. And we got Brandy Grace. So we got some great inserts. Awesome. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys. We'll see you.